fire, and you know what it's like to lose. It ain't like you've never tried, but life ain't been too fair to you. When you can't feel a thing inside, and you don't know what to do, you just look up to the sky, and heaven gon' rain down on you.
I bet you never thought you could fall this far from a song. And now you tryna tell me that you too far gone cause you numb. You made a couple mistakes, been rough, you been through the mud. And now you tryna tell me why you think that you ain't worth God's love. You got drunk couple times, tried to find God, got judged. As soon as you try and come back, that's when the problems pop up. And I can tell you from experience, living that life's not fun. I pray you cry out right now and fall back into God's arms.
I know you've been through the fire, and you know what it's like to lose. It ain't like you've never tried, but life ain't been too fair to you. When you can't feel a thing inside, and you don't know what to do, you just look up to the sky, and heaven gon' rain down on you.
I promise you that I have witnessed the death grips of addiction. I sold drugs like a punk. I probably should've went to prison. I blaspheme God so bad on some old songs that I've written. I used to pray to Satan, if I don't get high, I'ma turn Christian. I stole money from my own mom and my dad, dog, that's vicious. I knew I never could have mended all the pain that I inflicted. I just wanna be transparent with you, I don't wanna be cryptic. I really felt like a misfit, but still found this forgiveness. So what's to say about you and all the things you've been through? The devil lying through his teeth, I'm telling you it ain't true. If God chased me down, homie, I can promise he gon' save you. He's probably waiting on you, but he'll always make a way through.
I know you've been through the fire, and you know what it's like to lose. It ain't like you've never tried, but life ain't been too fair